Oh, here's the shot right here. That's what trips my trigger, if you know what I mean. Okay, this is what I was looking for. There are more shots to be had. Yes, I know, baby. Yeah, bah. Oh, that's not good. Let's get this bitch turned around and find what we can find. Good morning, Wisconsin. Welcome back to my Toyota Highlander. It's been a hot minute, but we're getting back at it today. I have the A7R4 with the Sony 200 to 600. I've got the baby loaded up, and we are going to drive around and see what we can see this morning in beautiful, sunny Wisconsin. I do have a little intel on an eagle's nest that we're going to check out, and when I went in to drop the kids off at school today, I did see a hawk perched up on a light pole, so those are probably going to be our first two spots that we check out today, and we'll go from there. Buckle up and enjoy the ride. The only issue with this particular hawk that's perched up on a light pole, first of all, if it's still there, cool, but it's on a busy road, and I've shot this hawk one other time on this road. However, there was like no traffic, and this morning we're approaching 8 a.m., which is kind of rush hour in this rural Wisconsin community. This particular road, because it is busier and it's one of the main arteries, it does have more shoulder space, so I should be okay, but I'm going to exercise caution still and just kind of play it by ear. But we're going to first see if it's even still there, because I just might be talking out of my ass at this point. And yes, he's still there. Let's see if I can get him. Here we go. Well, I got a few. He didn't like me there. That car might have spooked him too. An unusual first shot of the day. That hawk was still sitting there. He didn't like us though. I got 3 shots. An interesting progression. You guys will see it, obviously. Whew, man, it's like riding a bike. I haven't shot one of these videos in like 3 weeks. Gotta get the rust off. If you guys haven't done so already, you should follow me on Instagram, because I post a lot of my photos on there. Well, obviously I post all my photos on there, but I don't always have my video camera with me. So for instance, this past weekend, I took a walk with the baby on the trail, and I didn't have my video camera, but I did have my telephoto lens. So you'll find more photos. If you just want to see the photos, they're going to be on my Instagram page, and then you can skip all this video stuff. But stick around, because obviously I like to have you guys on the videos. It's a fun time. It's like a little party. It's our party. All right, so I just pulled over here. There is a red-winged blackbird, which isn't anything special, but it's sitting up in a very pretty tree that's flowered. I'll try to grab a few snaps of him. See if I can't get closer. All right. Oh yeah, now we're cooking. That was a pretty tree. Had to take that picture. It's not every day you get that composition, right? All right, we're on uncharted territory. I've never been on this road, so that means the camera's gonna stay on, and we're gonna look for compositions here. I like these back roads. Like I said, it's quieter. I can go below the speed limit, take my time, and kind of scan the area for anything that strikes my eye. And we're gonna take our time and see what we see. Hopefully we find something. Doesn't have to be anything amazing. Oh, there's a blue jay. A little precarious here on this hill, but I saw a blue jay. I was just saying the other day I want to get a blue jay. Where did he go? He probably flew away. Can't see, the sun's in my face. There he goes. Damn it. Where's he going? Where's he going? Where's he going? He went way up there in that tree. I don't think I can get him from here, but we'll see. Well, I got a few snaps. He's far away. We'll see. We're going to test the megapixels on this A7R4, because he framed up decently well. Let's see. You know, not too bad. I might have a shot there. I'll get them in the iPad and edit them and see what we got. Wow. That was a chance opportunity. I saw him fly out of the corner of my eye into this tree right by the road. And those beautiful birds, blue jays, cardinals, I know they're skittish. But he stuck around and he didn't fly too far off. I would say he was probably, I don't know, 100, 150 feet away. But with the 200 to 600 with the A7R4, I can crop into that bad boy, and I might have a composition there. It's, you know, I'm going to lose a lot of the megapixels, but because I've got, what is it, like 63 to play with, I'm not too concerned with that. Still on this road that I've never been down before. I haven't seen too many opportunities for compositions. Not much wildlife, but I am liking, there's like a little creek that's kind of been zigging and zagging through here. So anytime there's water, I always keep an eye out down there too, because you're going to see some wildlife down there. And that's not to say I'm only shooting wildlife in these videos. You know, I like buildings that catch my eye. Like I said before, any kind of lighting or composition that is striking, I'm going to document because that's what tickles my fancy. That's what trips my trigger, if you know what I mean. All right, so you got some cows over here. Looks like a few goats. Someone's property though, and I don't want to spook the humans either. Although the goats, that would have been a nice shot. If I come back this way, I might try to snag some goat shots. A few cows, okay. If I can get down on their level, these might be all right shots. They're backlit. Let's just do it right here. It's not a Wisconsin photography video without a couple shots of some cows. Some crazy backlight. Let's see. Get up here. Tasty tail. Alright, let's get this guy again. We'll end on this. Cool. Some solid backlighting going on there. Actually, I like this cow now too. He's eating, or she's eating. Okay. Took more shots than I wanted to there, but I noticed that I had stopped my aperture down, which caused my ISO to just explode. And the A7R4 does not like a high ISO, so I stopped back down, or opened the aperture back up to let more light in, and I snapped off a few more photos. I got too many cow photos, man. What am I gonna do with them all? When given the option to stay on the main road or get off the main road, always get off the main road. And that's what we're doing here. And that's what we're gonna do, because then we get something like this where there's a cow in the water itching its head on a tree. Let's see what we can do with it. Well, as long as I'm here. Okay. Not the best compositions, but you know, a shot's a shot. Okie dokie. The moment, hopefully, we've been waiting for. The eagle's nest is right up here past this farm. And if you're wondering how I knew that, I drove by it one day, saw that there was a big ass nest. So I dropped a pin. I dropped a pin in Google Maps, label it eagle's nest. And I do that a lot. If I find anything, it's kind of like scouting, right? If I find anything that is worth shooting, I'm going to drop a pin and label it very descriptively so that I can come back to it at a later day. And that day is today, so hopefully we got something happening here, and hopefully the tree isn't overpowered with budding. Oh, shit, yes. I think we got something here today. It's a matter of where do I park. I think back here. Yeah, maybe I'll actually pull up to this tree so I have a little disguise. The thing is, I don't have a damn shot here. I'm gonna have to walk around probably. We're gonna see. Definitely think I saw something up there today, so we're gonna see. Oh, where did that nest go? I see the nest, but I don't have a clear shot per se. Let me see. Is it a hawk's nest? Maybe it's a hawk's nest. There's something right there staring at me. All right, well, we found it. I need to get a different angle. He's facing, or she's facing the other way. Actually, I might even turn around. Yeah, there's no shot there. I need to turn around and maybe go back up the road a little bit. But we're gonna try and turn around. I'll go up to this driveway and turn around. Yeah, I know. I don't know if that's an eagle. It might be a hawk. Baby girl. Oh, here's the shot right here, right by this guy's driveway. Clear shot right here. Wow. Wow. Okay, this is what I was looking for, kind of. It's still just the back of them. Okay. Those are the two things that I knew I wanted to shoot today. That's good to know. Right by that guy's house is where we need to pop the squad, apparently. We're gonna continue on. Don't think I got that particular shot of the day yet, and we've only been going for about 45 minutes. So there are more shots to be had. Yes, I know, baby. Yeah, bet. Let's get this bitch turned around and find what we can find. Maybe right here we can get a shot of him. Let's see how skittish he is. Try something. Oh, there he goes again. Alright, well, I was going to try something, but he flew away on me. I feel like my steady shot is causing issues with focus, so I'm turning that off. Yeah, I've just noticed with this 200 to 600, I don't know if it's my copy or something I'm doing that's wrong, but when I get out to 600 millimeters and it's focusing past, let's say, 30 feet or 50 feet, it is so soft and not sharp, and I don't know why or what is causing that. Man, it didn't matter if it was on the A7 III or this A7R4. It's like if it's trying to focus past a certain distance, like further out at 600, it is just sloppy soft, and I don't know why. If anyone has the 200 to 600 and has had similar issues, let me know. It's very frustrating. All right, end rant. We're gonna put that aside, put that in our back pocket, and see what else we can find today. There's a cat. Whoa. Let's see if I can get a shot of this cat quick. I don't want to have to do this, but I gotta get low. Those are the shots. Oh yeah. Those are good shots. What is that? Is that a bird? What is that? That is a bird. Can I shoot him from here? Oh, we can try. That's a crane. Get this crane going here. Damn it. Let's see if I can get this bird that's back here. That is an eagle back there. It's a matter of just getting closer. Oh, that's not good. We'll get you home. I want to see if I can get closer to this eagle, though. Maybe. Oh, there's a nest there. That's a big-ass nest. I don't know if I got a shot there, though. Yeah, I don't think so. That's not how I wanted that to go. Well, there's a nest there, too. Two nests there? I'm gonna have to mark that on my little maps here. What to do. I think I'm gonna turn around and see if I can get a different angle. I've turned around. I think I saw at least one eagle's nest back there. Maybe two. There's definitely an eagle back there. Found this on the way home. I will be dropping pins on my map to mark that, but I want to see if I can't get a little bit closer. I just zoomed in on that shot that I just took, and I'm getting hit with that same issue where at 600, it's so far out there that eagle is not in focus. There's one nest. There's two. There are two. There's two nests. That's wild. I've never seen two eagles' nests so close in proximity to one another. I'm gonna try this again. I think that's as good as I'm gonna get, unfortunately. Okay, we gotta go home. The baby is hungry. Yeah, there's two. That is wild. Wild. The second one's closer to the road, but no one's home. No one's home. I know, baby, we're going. All right. We are coming up on this river. You know, I drive past it a lot. I've stopped a couple of times. You know, mainly it's geese that ducks, but we'll see what we see today. What do we got here? Geese. Maybe I'll shoot those guys. Why not? We're here. Kind of pretty. It's got kind of dappled sunlight, so we'll get a shot of that. Let's see if my camera wants to focus. Hungry fella. Let's see if I don't have a better shot back here. There we go. Alright. Happy with those. Duh, how you doing, babes? I don't know. I don't know if I've got the shot today. We'll see. That cat shot could have been cool. What else? That first hawk shot, although I think it was blurry, the lips. The crane shot in flight, that could be kind of cool. I can probably isolate that, maybe make it black and white. I don't know. You've already seen it because it's already happened in this video, but I don't know what I'm doing with it yet. Well, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, if you've enjoyed what we've done here today, please subscribe because there's going to be more of this kind of content and maybe Photoshop, maybe drone stuff coming your way. If you want to follow along with that, just subscribe. Hit the like button, leave a comment, tell me how your day is going. My day is going flipping fantastic right now. And I will catch you guys next time, but be sure to keep shooting and keep creating. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.